Please don't turn and look away. I need you to see what I have to say. This is how I spend my days, behind marked cages, wasting away. Day after day I live in this grime, with nothing in my water bowl but slime. Can someone please tell me what my crime was, to end up here with no home, no love? Most times I'm alone, scared and hungry, with no bed to lay upon, or any soft cushion to rest my painful feet on. I don't have healthy skin, fur, or nails. My body's all covered with fleas, and my eyes are so swollen I can barely see. My babies are always taken from me, to go to a place I'll never see. They're just out of here, someplace bad I fear. I have no voice of my own, but I know this is not the life intended for me. So will someone please shout a message to the powers that be? Shut down these damn puppy mills and set me free.